Well, good evening, YouTubers. This is Eddy Coleman, Gilmer, Texas, Buckeye Country. I'm here with Randy Burns this afternoon to try to demonstrate how to remove the military crimp from military cases so that you can reload them. And if you will notice on these 223 cases, right here, you'll see two rings in there, and that's a crimp the military puts to ensure that the crimp won't come out at any time during their practices or wartime. But it's very difficult to reload these shells without removing that crimp. And now there's two methods that I'd like to show you today how to do that. Our first method will be using a drill press. I have an old drill press here, and I have a chamfering tool, and all I do is crank her up and I push real hard, and what we're doing here is removing that military crimp. Now then, to give you an idea of that, you will not see the inside crimp anymore. It's gone. And that's a very fast way of doing that. Now the second method, we'll move over to our little rock chucker. And this is a RCBS primer pocket swager. And what this does, it actually moves the brass outward so that you won't have that crimp in your way when you start to prime. So let's use this method. And I already got this thing set up, and the way this works, this is a hollow cap, comes this way, fits right over the top of your ram, and this is the swager right here, and this just sits right over the top. And when you take your bullet, take your case and put it in, take her all the way up, and then when you push hard on it, now it has swaged it out, and now it's hung in there. You can't get this out until this comes down and the ram tries to separate from this cap. So you just hit it hard, and then it'll come out, and now that has been swaged to where it won't be in your way when you prime. Now, doing it again, just put your case up into the holder there, take her up, and then when it comes down, you have to hit it a little bit and it comes out. And now that one, hopefully you can see that, and that's swaged. Now these are ready. We're ready to put the primers in. Talking